You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Type Moon for more names from the series More Manga Anime Pronunciations. Make sure to stay tuned. If you want to learn how her last name is pronounced as well, I've got a second video that pronounces her last name, so stay tuned for that. First name is Arcueid. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.